So, yung to Josephine. Josephine, Josephine, who to this shore have come looking for a nest, a home like a wandering swallow. If your fate is taking you to Japan, China, or Shanghai, don't forget that on these shores, a heart for you beats high. So this poem by Rizal entitled To Josephine reflects Rizal's longing and affections for his lover, Josephine Bracken. Rizal compares Josephine to a wandering swallow, emphasizes her search for a home and belonging. He acknowledged the possibility of her leaving for places like Japan, China, or Shanghai, but he implores her not to forget the love and connection they share, symbolized by the beating heart on these shores. Overall, it's a poignant expression of love, longing, and the desire for connection despite physical distance. So, ang napili kong background ng tula ni Dr. Rizal na to Josephine ay si Josephine Bracken. Dahil ang poem na ginawa ni Dr. Rizal ay tungkol kay Josephine, kung gaano niya ito kamahal at kung gaano niya ito namimiss si Josephine. At kahit na sila ay magkalayo, yung pagmamahal ni Rizal kay Josephine ay mananatili pa rin sa kanyang puso.